Hello, my name is Divyansh Kokta. In this video, I am going to show you how to generate consolidated report using Python. So the dataset that we will be using is Brazilian e-commerce public dataset by OList. You can download this dataset from kaggle.com. First of all, I have defined a function named options. So it will give user some options, like if a user enter 1, user will see the analysis of reviews given by customer. If a user enters 2, user will see the analysis of different payment methods used by customer. Similarly, if a user enters 16, user will see the full report. Then I have declared a global variable I. I is the input variable which will take input and integer input to the user. Now I have used if condition, like if I equals to then I equals to 1, then this code will execute and it will save this analysis into a PDF format file in output directory. Similarly, I have used if condition for this part. If I equals to 2, so you can see I have used if condition for all the analysis part. Now for I equals to 16, I want to generate a full report. I want like all PDF to merge into single PDF. Like I want all my details into a single PDF file. So I also want to give title to each PDF page. So I have used matplotlib.backend PDF library and imported PDF pages from it. So I have used plt.text to generate heading for the analysis part. Now to save the figure into a single PDF file, I use pp's PDF pages initiator. Now pp.savefig fig1. Similarly, I have taken all the figures and close it, and file will be saved at output directory. You can see, and I don't have output directory right now, but when I run this program, output directory will be created and all the file will be saved in that output directory. So now I am going to run this file. Okay, so it had given me option, enter the number to see the analysis of your choice. Now like I want to enter 1. It is taking some time for loading. Okay, so you can see. Okay, now file has been saved as this directory. Now if I press Q, program will quit. If I press enter, then it will continue. I'm pressing enter. Now like I want to see uh, enter. I want to see if I go for like 5. Enter. I want to generate full report. Okay, now file has been saved as this directory name full report of PDF. Now I'm pressing Q. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so the output directory is created and I run this for, so this is full report.pdf. So just loading. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like this.